So yeah, my clients quite often ask me like, Alex, what is your favorite dish to cook? What is your favorite cuisine style? You know, stuff like this. And the answer is quite simple. It doesn't exist. Because I literally don't care what to cook, which style to cook, you know. Because during a cooking process, I completely, totally, 100% be involved in the process, and everything else it just don't exist. Like literally, time and space is just disappears. It's like meditation, you know. So yeah, this is mine.